My name is Laura Lee. I'm an assistant professor of digital art and design at Eastern. I teach graphic design, illustration, and digital animation. This semester in Art 343, Introduction to 3D Animation, we're going to work on a big project. Students start with something very simple and very small. In the first class, I tell them to think of a story and a character. From there, they develop their characters. They have to draw very detailed illustrations, and then they export those images and pull them into Maya to start building models. And then the next step would be to rig the characters and do animation. Andrea is a student of mine that really excelled in this class. Not only is she very good at creating digital models, she's an amazing illustrator. So she creates very cool characters such as Asian warriors and little magical witches, and she builds amazing environments.
When I started this class, I didn't have any design background. I just had an interest in concept art. The first simple model I created was this little bear. Having a professor who gets as excited about your project as you do really encourages you to put in the work to make a really great project. There are times where I want to stay like an hour after class to work on it because I get so excited about what I'm building, and it's really refreshing to have someone who's 100% on your side and likes what you're building.
So the 3D printing lab has 5 printers, and it's located in the library. These 3D printers are quite powerful, and it takes a long time for the models to actually get printed. And for a simple model, it might take 7 to 10 hours, and for a very complicated one, like the last one I printed, was actually 72 hours. We have many different colored materials, and they all have different attributes. So for example, certain materials are semi-transparent, and some of them have very unique colors. So overall, I am so proud of my students, and they've done so well considering they had no prior background and they accomplished so much in one semester. And I can't tell you how excited they get when they actually hold their models in their hands. It's an amazing feeling.